So I want to show you an example of what we see all the time. We have a pop-up emitter right here. This is really flat in here, super flat. This runs under the patio, comes here, comes to a pop-up. It holds a lot of water. It needs to either come just far back where it drops off more, or better yet, this is what we're going to do. We're going to tie it right into this city storm drain. So the guys went ahead, they cut the sod off. We have a line that goes under the patio. The homeowner wants to go around the patio. We've taken it all the way to the backyard here. All right, the guys are putting turf mats down so that they can dig this long trench. They're going to put a new pipe in. They want to put the dirt on the turf mats. It's a lot easier during cleanup to push the dirt in the trench than having to try to get it up out of the grass. Also, notice how they put the turf mats, the diamond plate is down and the smooth side is up. A lot of people don't like these turf mats because the one side is smooth. Well, guys, they do more than what you're thinking. I mean, these guys are, you know, doing this day in, day out. They have perfected this. They're the most efficient crew. If you take notes from them, guys, these are tips that are going to help your bottom line. We got 2 oak trees. Look how far the roots go. I always talk about this. Look at this trench. Now keep in mind, they're coming from those 2 oak trees that are in the middle of the yard. Look at the roots. Look, the guys are chopping out roots. We're going to use copper sock. We're going to use copper sulfate. Pulling up the walk. Look at this. Beautiful work. Cale's got this culvert pipe. This is dual wall culvert pipe. He's got to have close to 10 feet in there. These sticks come in 10 or 20 foot lengths. He's got the not quite a 90 and the white leaf filter. On this house, with the white bays, the white trim, the white gutters, we just couldn't resist. These white leaf filters, they're just banging, man. They look great with this color scheme. Here's a veteran move. When you take brick pavers apart, you remove them and put the pattern exactly how it came out. You rebuild the pattern. So now, when you go back to reassemble, you literally just keep putting the puzzle pieces right back where they were. It's that simple. These guys work methodical. They're very efficient. And they turn out the highest quality of drainage installations. All right, Cal did a beautiful job. Has that 3-inch plus under the walk with that culvert pipe. I wanted to show you guys something. So this culvert pipe is rigid. Look at all the space between that edging for the brick pavers and the pipe. Look at how much. Now I want to show you. See how there's not very much over here? See the edging, the bottom of the edging, and the pipe? So the reason for that is because Cal set that leaf filter as high as he could. The not quite a 90, the top of the not quite a 90 is right there, the top of it. He's got it taped up. He set this as high as he could. He wanted to get good slope. Never leave water setting in the pipe underneath the walkway because it could heave in the winter. Make sure to cut your pipe really clean. Don't have anything that's sharp for the copper sock to get hung up on. And it goes on real easy. You can see the rings. The guys went ahead and they made sure to trim the pipe really nice.
Do you want me to go forward back? Yeah, one.
Francisco took the time to cut the end of this pipe super smooth. There's nothing sharp on it. That way the copper sock will slide over this pipe. It won't catch. Take the time to do it right. Otherwise, you're going to struggle with it. It's super easy if you do it this way. So with all the tree roots spread throughout this yard from these big trees, look at all that copper that the guys put on that pipe. We're going to put some copper sulfate in there along with the copper sock. We're far enough away from the tree. That's all we need. We don't need copper fabric. The guys are bringing copper from this end. They put the copper sock on from this end. Kind of split it. Do that. It's easier. See how nice that white leaf filter looks? With that white trim, the white bay, the white gutters. We had an existing PVC pipe that went under that patio. There's nothing more we can do. Over here, we completely replaced this line because we could get at it. Guys, a beautiful look. When you have like white trim, you have a color scheme where the white benefits you. Don't worry about the freeze up because they expand. We've had these now in Canada for several years, and they've gone through extreme freeze ups and thaws. Same with the north. We had a heck of a winter this past year, and everything was thoroughly tested. I am happy and proud to say not a one split or cracked, even with the expansion of ice freezing them up. HDPE will expand and contract. That's what's beautiful about the material. Unlike PVC, it will not crack. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions regarding this installation, leave them in the comment section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.